Hi, I'm Manju, a yoga therapist. Welcome to your channel Stress Free Yoga. So, today we are going to talk about anxiety driven depression. Today we are going to do asanas, pranayams, a very effective mudra, and few recommended routines. When you follow these asanas, pranayams, mudra, and routines, you will see that you are relieved from your depression. Within 20 to 30 days, you'll see the change in yourself. The asanas and pranayam work on all the aspects of our life, that is, mental, emotional, psychological, making us happy and balanced and more relaxed, provided you practice them. And the mudra also helps you. This plan I have specially designed for people who have tensions, anxiety. The asanas which I am going to teach you today are Talasana, Trikonasana, Bhadrasana, Ushtrasana, and pranayams which I am going to teach you are also very important. The mudra which is really effective for depression is Akasa Mudra. Take a notebook and a pen with you and start writing daily 10 happy moments which have happened during the day, though they may be very simple. Feel positive, feel happy. Avoid unnecessary reading. You should read books on self development and inspirational books. Stop sitting idle. Keep yourself busy in small works daily. Work in social organizations and religious places without expecting anything. Stop thinking negative. See the positive side of people. Going outdoors twice is compulsory. Regular walks need to be done daily, at least for half an hour. Stop discussing or repeating your problems with others. A 1 hour hobby, which is very necessary, which keeps you mentally and physically involved. Just maybe indoor games, outdoor games like dancing, music, or any other hobby which you like. Be cheerful the full day. So we start with asanas, a happy feeling in your mind, being relaxed. You have to see your distance this way between your feet. This is 1 foot. Feet facing ahead, palms by the side of your thighs. Inhaling, rise up. Stretch your spine, stretch your fingers towards the ceiling. Look ahead at one point and focus. This improves the coordination of your mind and body. It improves your harmony. It improves your balance in your life. Exhaling slowly and gently come back. So this was Talasana, which is also called Tarasana. Take your hands by your side and inhaling, come up. Join your palms and stretch yourself up. Feel the stretch on your arms, your full body. Look ahead at one point, which gives you stability. Exhaling slowly and gently come down. So this was Talasana with 2 variations. You need to follow each asana at least 3 times. We start with Trikonasana. Join your feet together, palms on your thighs. Inhaling, take your hands at your shoulder level. Come forward, pull yourself in front with your lower back. Exhaling, look ahead and go down. Try to touch your toes. Look ahead at one point. Try to touch your toes. Look ahead. Breathe normally. Feel the stretch on your hamstrings, your calf muscles. Inhaling, slowly come up to the shoulder level. Exhaling, down. A little gap, 1 foot gap between your feet. This is a variation of Trikonasana. Inhale, your hands at your shoulder level. Come forward, exhaling. Pull your body in front, your weight on the toes. Exhaling, go down, look ahead and try to touch your toes. Look ahead at one point. Inhaling, slowly bring your hands at your shoulder level. Exhaling, your palms down and just relax. We start with sitting asanas. Join your soles together and bring both your feet near to the groin. Hold your toes with your fingers, your elbows by the side. Start flapping. This is Bhadrasana. And feel the stretch on your pelvic area. A smile on your face, a feeling of happiness. Exhaling, come forward from your lower back and slowly go down. Take your head towards your toes. Feel the stretch on the groin area. Inhaling, come to the center. Look ahead at one point. Exhaling, drop yourself down. Inhaling, center. Exhaling, relax. Be in Sukhasana, a few deep breaths. A feeling of happiness. This is the moment to be with yourself, connect with yourself. We start with Yoga Mudra. Left palm with your right palm. Just take it behind and stretch yourself down. Stretch your shoulders. Look ahead at one point. This is called Yoga Mudra, which teaches you let go. Inhale. Exhaling, twist to your right side. Exhaling, bend yourself down to the knee, taking your hands up, relaxing your shoulders and lying down. Feeling of let going your past, let going your tensions, your anxiety, your negativity. Inhaling, center, pull your hands down. Exhaling, twist to your left. Just drop yourself down to your knees. Feel the stretch on your abs, on your upper body. Inhaling, center. Open your feet. Take your hands in front. Keep your palms on the floor. Sliding, go in front. And drop your head down, your forehead on the floor. Inhaling, slide your hands back, palms on the knees, and just relax. So, this was Yoga Mudra. You need to practice each and every asana at least 3 times. Trying to be empty stomach, you need to complete your meals 3 hours before starting the asanas. So we start with camel pose or Ushtra asana. So I'll show you variations which are for beginners, which are advanced pranayam also. So toes on the floor, palms on the back, inhale. Exhaling, this is a backward bend which improves and enhances your confidence. Exhaling, center. We go to the next variation. Your palms on your thighs, a shoulder level gap between your feet, your toes. You have to see your comfort level, taking your right hand behind, holding the heels. Taking your left hand behind and holding the heel of your left leg. Inhale and slowly drop yourself behind. Stretch your abs. Exhaling, raise your hands up and slowly come down. Gently open your eyes. We start with the final variation of Ushtrasana. Keep your hands down on the mat. Your knees are bent, your head dropped a little bit down. We start, inhale and take your belly up, your hips, your thighs, look behind. Exhaling, slowly drop yourself down and relax. Few deep inhales and exhales, which will improve your energy level. We start with an effective mudra called Akasa Mudra. This is specially for people having tensions, anxiety, depression. And if you practice this daily, you'll see the change. You'll see that you relieve yourself from all such problems. So we start. So I keep my fingers like this. Now I join the thumb and the middle finger and make a round out of it. And the other fingers, I keep them. Now I don't join both the hands, keep them separate, but gaze into the circle, the space between these two hands. You have to gaze, concentrate your mind at these both circles for some time. When you start gazing in between these circles, bring your mind into these two circles and you see that you start feeling the relaxation. And when you still keep on gazing, you feel a sense of void. Now, after some time, when you are tired, you keep your hands down, your eyes closed, and once again start practicing, just focusing in between the space in these circles, feeling the relaxation and the void. Keep your hands down, eyes closed, a smile on your face. Just relax yourself. We start with pranayama. We start with Om. Every one and each one of us can practice. It is not related to any religion. Om, I'm going to put the link down. You can practice with me on my channel. I'm going to show you a round of Om. Inhale, exhaling. Gently open your eyes. The next pranayama is Brahmari. Brahmari is a V breath by doing a humming sound which calms your nerves, relaxes your mind, removes your tensions. It improves your voice, it becomes sweet. So we start with Brahmari. Inhale, exhaling. Keep your palms on the ears gently. Inhale, exhaling. Gently keep your hands down. Open your eyes. Now I am going to teach you equal breathing. Equal breathing is the inhalation and the exhalation should be equal to each other. Because when we balance our breathing, our emotions are going to be balanced. So you need to see your capacity, how much you can inhale and that much you need to exhale. Your breathing should be smooth, continuous and non-jerky. One inhalation is equal to 1 second and one exhalation is equal to 1 second. So my capacity which I have seen is 5 seconds. So 5 inhale and 5 exhale which will be continuous. So I'm sitting in Sukhasana, my fingers in Chin Mudra, back straight, and just relax yourself first. A smile on your face. Inhale. Exhale. When we inhale, our belly has to rise, and when we exhale, the belly has to go towards the back. We start with counting. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently open your eyes. Come in Vajrasana. Bend your knees. Take your toes behind. Join your toes together. Palms on the mat. There's a space between the heels. Drop yourself in the space between the heels. We lie down in a happy child pose, which is specially for you. your mat on the floor and just relax yourself. And your forehead on the floor. And no thoughts at all, just a happy feeling. This is a full yogic plan which needs to be followed by you twice a day. Each asana pranayam needs to be followed 3 times. Thanks for watching. Watch my next video on a stress busting technique and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. God bless.